guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an organize with me. I have so much clutter in my room to get through. I hope you guys love organizing videos because I'm going to have like part 2 and 3 to this because I just have so much to do. I want to get this all cleaned out and organized. It looks really cluttered and disgusting right now. I have all these products that I have to organize, and I bought like clear plastic bins to organize my nail polishes and stuff. I'm really excited. I'm going to put all my rings in here. I'm going to look through all the rings that I want to keep and that I don't want. This is what all my jewelry is on so far. As you can see, it's like getting really freaking cluttered. This was actually meant to just be for rings, but now it's like cluttered with rings, earrings, like all this stuff that it wasn't meant for. So the first and easiest thing that I want to do is just organize all the rings that I just bought recently before I go and look through all my other jewelry. So let's just get this out of the way first. So these are the rings that I just bought. Now we're going to be going through all the ones that I have originally, which is all of these. And we're going to decide which ones we're keeping. This one I know for sure I want to keep. I think it's so cute, and I just bought this one thrifting. Ignore my nail, by the way. So this one I'm going to be keeping. I think it's so gorgeous. I got this one out of a Charmed Aroma candle. This one too is so pretty. I also got this one out of a Charmed Aroma candle. This one is so gorgeous. This one I actually got out of a FabFitFun box. Charmed Aroma candle. So all the ones that I'm not keeping, I'm going to be putting in here for now, so my mom could look through them and keep what she wants to keep. If not, I'm just going to donate them. So this is one of the ones I'm not keeping. This one is so cute. I got this one thrifting. I think it's funky. This one, unfortunately, though, doesn't fit in the tray, so I'm going to have to keep this aside and put it somewhere else. Got this one out of a Charmed Aroma candle again. It's just a cute little bow, rose gold with a bunch of little crystals. Another Charmed Aroma one. If you can't tell, I love Charmed Aroma candles. This is what it looks like right now. I ended up having to take out all the chunky ones that I just bought because they were too much for this little tray to handle, but that's Shein quality for you. So I still have like so many rings that I have to put in these little organizers, so I'm definitely gonna have to get more. I might buy them off Amazon because they'll be better quality, but so far I think it looks so pretty. So I ordered this off Amazon. It's supposed to be like an earring holder, and I have to put it together. So these are all the pieces they give you. It doesn't come with instructions, so I'm a little scared. So I figured it out, and look at that. It rotates like a lazy Susan. That's so cool. So now I just have to put all my earrings on here. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I have so many of them. So finally, like almost an hour later, I got most of my earrings on there. So now we're gonna move on to the dresser that I have. So the whole first top row here is like some random decor pieces, and then we have some hats. So I'm just gonna start off by hanging all the hats that I have right here. So we have the hats here. Hopefully that doesn't look like too stupid. I don't know how I feel about it, but it is out of there, which is important because that was just main priority. So now I really want to clean out like this area. It's all my nail polishes and like little pom-poms and stuff like that. So we're gonna get this cleared out here and then reorganize it. I also have a little bottle of Bacardi. So I was thinking of using this instead of the black one that I had to put all my nail polishes in because it's clear and cute. So I'm going to try that and see how that looks. Since I have all this empty room in back of the polishes, I'm going to put like my acetone and some pom-poms, just little nail stuff that I use. I have to do a dollar store run because I feel like this would look so much more aesthetic to have like pom-poms in a little glass jar. But so far, this is what it looks like. I think that's a huge difference from what it looked like before, especially compared to all the other ones that aren't organized yet. So it's the next day. I started pretty late yesterday, so I did a few things and then I stopped. I'm pretty overwhelmed by all of this. So I'm just gonna take everything out, organize what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and then we're gonna put it back in all nice and organized. So I cleared out these two shelves right now because these are mostly like my beauty product shelf and like some miscellaneous items like workout bands and stuff like that. This is mostly like batteries, candles, Lysol, garbage bags, like just things that I use to clean my room and make it smell good. So this is currently what my floor looks like right now. So I'm gonna go through what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and then we're gonna put it back organized. I'm like trying to talk myself through what I'm gonna do because I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I went through all my face masks so far. So these so far are all the ones that I am keeping, and I have this clear little thing for it. So I think I'm just gonna put it on this side here. So those are all the face masks that actually come in packets, and then I also have face masks that come in bottles. So all the bottle ones will go in here. So I decided next to the face mask, I'm gonna put my little foot masks and all that stuff for my feet right next to it. Then next to that, in this little empty space here, I don't have a container that fits that little space. So I was thinking I'll put some like body moisturizers and stuff there. So this whole little section here will be face masks, like foot masks and body lotions. I have this really random Celine Dion body lotion. I don't know why or where I got that from. I have this really cool body cream that you put on when you're working out, and it like tightens and tones, and it's supposed to help boost your workout. So I'm gonna put that there too. Then I was thinking this bottom shelf here will be like bubble baths, razors, like extra stuff that I use in the bath, I guess. I don't really know. I'm still kind of winging this. So I'm for sure gonna have a container like this down here. All these containers that you guys see in this video I got from the dollar store. So I guess we'll start with just putting bubble bath in here to not overwhelm myself and just start nice and simple. And then any extra bath stuff that I have, I'm gonna put in the same container. So like bath salts. So I bought these jars today from the dollar store, and these lids were silver and I spray painted them gold to be more aesthetic. I was thinking I'm gonna put my bath bombs in here. That would look really cute. So that's what it looks like with all the little bath bombs in here, and I'm just gonna put that right here. So cute. So all I have left to add here now is just my hair products. I'm gonna put my hair products here, and then we're gonna move on to the rest. So I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. So now I just have to clear out all this stuff up here. So far, I put all my tea lights in this clear container with my Lysol and my garbage bags for my room. I think everything I'm going to put in this container will be like decor and candles. So now we have all those sections done, and I just want to work on the top shelf and that shelf. And then we're finally done this dresser that took me 2 days. So in order to clean the top shelf, I have to go through the jewelry that I had up there. So these are like all my necklaces. There's still a few earrings on here I have to organize. And this is where I keep my bracelets, but apparently there's like earrings and stuff in here too. I don't know, my life's a mess. So I'm gonna go through that, and then I'm gonna continue cleaning up on my dresser. I haven't been through these necklaces in such a long time, and I've no joke had this like since high school, and it's just so out of style now. So that's how I'm gonna leave the top of my dresser, and down here I'm thinking to put my jewelry, my sunglasses, and extra little things. So that's it for this video, guys. That's pretty much all I could stand organizing for the past 2 days. I'm gonna do another part to this video because I have so much left to organize. I still have like my makeup section and my clothes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is officially part 1, and if you guys did enjoy it, then stick around for part 2 and like and subscribe. Bye!